Are you curious about Hono, Express, and Elysia? You're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these three web frameworks to see which one suits your needs best. All three frameworks help developers create web applications. They make it easier to handle requests and responses, but each of them has its own unique features and strengths. Let's start with Hono. Hono is lightweight and designed for speed. It's perfect for building fast APIs. Developers love it for its simplicity and performance. Hono is also easy to set up, making it great for quick projects. Now, let's talk about Express. Express is one of the most popular frameworks out there. It's known for its flexibility and large community. Developers can easily find plugins and support. Express is great for building robust applications, but it can be a bit heavier than Hono. Finally, we have Elysia. Elysia is a newer player in the game. It focuses on developer experience and speed. Elysia offers a lot of built in features which can save time during development. It's a good choice if you want something modern and efficient. So, what are the key differences? Hono is all about speed and simplicity. Express offers flexibility and a vast ecosystem. Alicia combines modern features with a focus on developer experience. When it comes to features, Hono is minimalistic, while Express has a rich set of tools. Elysia stands out with its built in functionalities that make coding faster. In terms of pricing, all three are open source, so you can use them for free. However, you might need to consider hosting costs depending on your project. In conclusion, if you want speed and simplicity, go for Hono. If you need flexibility and community support, choose Express. For a modern approach with built in tools, Elysia is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.